Would you like to learn how to create world-class quality in goods and services while reducing cost at the same time? Well then, our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification is for you. Successfully adopted by over 2/3 of Fortune 500 companies, Lean Six Sigma is the world's most recognized continuous improvement method. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys. Together with my faculty director, we're going to show you how Lean Six Sigma can help you drive transformational changes across your organization. Here's what you'll learn and all the benefits to enrolling in our certified program today. To begin our course, you will learn hands-on experiences on the principles of Lean and how it can drive quality improvement across your organization by eliminating defects. Next, you will discover how you can reduce your company's cost with proven Lean methodology and Six Sigma framework. Everything you need is explained in detail as you progress through the course and move from the basics to the more advanced sections in this certified program. You will even learn how Six Sigma can help you identify hidden problems and uncover root causes of low productivity. By the end of the program, you'll be awarded with the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt designation that can help you boost your career. Globally demanded and recognized, this designation will help you distinguish your skill sets and show that you have attained expertise in implementing Six Sigma methodologies. What's more, this designation is industry recognized with lifelong validity. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain by enrolling in our course today. It's time to take action.